Good afternoon, as this is an international language testing system which is powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. So my name is Kamal. What is your full name?
My full name is Gurbaj Singh.
Okay, Gurbaj, where are you come from?
I come from Harpalpur Lake, which is located in the north part of the Punjab.
Is your hometown well connected with other cities?
Definitely, my hometown is well connected. There are other cities like my hometown is located in the north part of the Punjab, which is connected with the Patiala and Ludhiana also.
What is the one thing you really like about your hometown?
Well, my hometown is very beautiful, and there are so many facilities in my hometown, such as hospitality and education and transportation also.
Would you like to live there in the future?
Well, my goal is will be go to Canada, so I do not like to live in the future.
What do you do when you have a free or quality time?
Well, my schedule is very hectic, so when I was free, I listen to music and feel relaxed.
Okay, now let's talk about sky. Do you like watching the sky sometimes?
In my perspective, I do not like to watching the sky.
Why do you think children like to watch the sky?
Because mostly children are see a sky, because there are so many things in their see a sky.
Do you used to watch the sky when you were a child?
Well, when I was a child, I watched the sky in the night, because I see a star also.
Okay, is sky gazing or watching a popular activity in your country?
In my perspective, there are definitely in my country, mostly people are see a sky when they are sitting when they are sleeping in the night.
What do you like about the sky and why?
Well, in India there are so many types of natural things. So when I was a child, I usually prefer to sleeping with my grandfather, and I see a sky.
Do you like any star in the sky?
Definitely, as I mentioned before, I love a star.
Which star you like the most in the sky and why? Let's talk about celebrities. Do you like any celebrity?
Definitely, I love to so many celebrities in my life, but I mostly like Diljit Dosanjh, because it is related to my culture.
Why do you think some youngsters like to get inspiration from celebrities?
Well, there are so many types of inspirations to gain our celebrities, because they have to have so many experience and other things and other qualities also.
Do you think some youngsters like to copy the style of their favorite celebrities?
Could you repeat the
Do
question?
you think some youngsters like to copy their style of their favorite celebrities?
Well, some youngsters prefer to make all these kind of looks because they have very aggressive
Is it a positive development or negative?
Well, nowadays so many celebrities are positive, because they have so many qualities, like Diljit Dosanjh is very famous in my country, because they have so many.
Don't you think it is very difficult for youngsters or middle class people to follow the style of their favorite celebrities because they wear very costly clothes and other things?
Well, it's depend on a person to person. Youngsters are prefer to only see before follow their styles, but the older people are do not.
Okay, that's all for the first section. Now it's time to discuss cue card, and this is the second part of the speaking test. In this section, you will be given one cue card, and on this topic, you will have on 1 minute for notes and preparation. And today your topic is number 7, and this is your cue card, and your time start now. Okay, could you please start now?
Undoubtedly, there are so many interesting conversations that I saw in my life. Firstly, I would like to talk about the interesting conversations that I listen in a Chandigarh. Furthermore, there are so many people are going to Chandigarh because it is a famous city in my country, because they have so many parks and gardens, beautiful gardens in this country. Last Sunday, I went to Chandigarh with my friends on my private car, and there was some friends in my car, and my best friend is also in my car. Moreover, I went to Chandigarh and I saw different types of things, like I went to park and I also go to Sukna Lake. When I was sitting in a Sukna Lake, I see foreign people, those who are talking talk about their health and culture. And furthermore, I listen their conversation, and because they are related to their Canada, he belongs to Canada, and I listen their conversation, and after that they are told about their culture and living style. So my goal is to go to Canada, so I listen their conversation, and when I was listen this conversation, and I feel very relaxed, because they have to provide us so many knowledge about their culture and other things like such as a car and electronic gadgets and
Okay, that's all for the second section. Now let's talk about third section of the IELTS speaking test. In this section, I'm going to ask you a question about conversation. My first question is, how do people normally start their conversation in your side or country?
Well, I think that mostly people are conversing about their culture and other things. But in my opinion, youngsters are also prefer to conversation about their electronic gadgets.
Do you feel shy sometimes when you have a conversation with different genders?
Well, it's depend on the situations. When I am feel shy, I difficulty to tell about myself to any person.
What are some things you would like to suggest to people who feel shy when they have a conversation with other people?
Well, I think that there are so many difficult times to have, but in my opinion, I make a suggestion for other people to make a confidence and do not shy to and tell about their.
Have you seen any difference between telephonic and face-to-face conversation?
Well, nowadays telephoning is increasing day by day, but there are so many advantages and disadvantages of this. Telephoning is not good for the people, because they have to increase our pollution and radiation also.
Okay, do you believe the trend of face-to-face conversation will decrease in the future?
Well, definitely it is a decrease in as compared to the past, because in the advancement of technology there are so many electronic gadgets, so people are prefer to use electronic gadgets to communication with each other person.
How do you feel when somebody is doing a negative conversation?
Could you repeat, sir?
How do you feel if somebody is having a negative conversation with you? How do you feel?
Well, I think that it is not good for our life, because they do not talent to.
Okay, is it good idea for people to treat with some respect and dignity if somebody is not doing good for you or misbehaving with you?
Sorry, sir.
That's all for the third section. Now you can leave now. Thank you.